Hello and welcome, I'm your CodeMonkey. Super quick video here. So Unity just had their Unity Award ceremony. They do this every year to celebrate all kinds of awesome stuff made with Unity, from games, community, accessor, and a bunch more. This was the 17th Unity Awards, and for this one, I was nominated in 4 categories and actually won 2 of them. First of all, I won Best Development Tool with my CodeMonkey Toolkit asset. I definitely didn't expect to win this one since the competition was so intense. My plan with this asset is basically to continuously update it non-stop for the next few years. It's already got 40 tools in one, and in the next few years it will have 100, 200, I don't even know how many I can add. I've actually wanted to have already put out a bunch of updates by now, but basically shortly after I published this asset, both my docs passed, so that really messed up my whole calendar for the mid part of this year. But after I finish my current project, this will definitely be my next priority. So hopefully around January, stay tuned for an awesome free update adding a bunch more tools and elements. And secondly, I also won the Best Livestreamer award. Getting this award definitely makes me want to do a bunch more live streams in the future. Answering questions and chatting to all of you in real time is always quite a lot of fun. It's definitely quite different from answering YouTube comments and emails that I get every single day. I normally have my private live streams that I do with core students and channel members every single week, but in 2026 I definitely want to do a bunch more public live streams. One thing I love about these awards is how they're all community voted, so there isn't some secret Illuminati society with like secret handshakes that decides who wins. No, it's really all voted by you, the community. Personally, I love that because that's what really matters. It means the things that I'm making resonate with all of you specifically. So hopefully that means all my videos have helped you a lot in your learning journey. Thank you all so much for voting for me, and I hope to continue being worthy of your votes in 2026. I was also nominated for Best Tutorial Series, and on this one, the big winner was Git Amend. Definitely an awesome channel, I love it. If you're not familiar with it, I highly recommend you go and follow it. He makes some very interesting videos, and especially on more intermediate advanced stuff, so if you're looking for that kind of content, I highly recommend this channel. And the other award that I was also nominated for was the Unity Choice Award. This was an interesting one because it was voted internally by Unity themselves. And for this one, the winner was actually someone called Naichi Lab from Unity Room. This is something that I haven't really heard of. This is something that I wasn't really familiar with. Apparently it's a Japanese developer that is building lots of interesting things. These are all in Japanese, so I have no idea what exactly it says. And then there's also a website, unityroom.com. This one apparently is some kind of game jam game, some nice community. So it seems to be a nice active community for Japanese developers making games with Unity pretty much every single week. The most played one's got 13 million views, 15 million views, so this is definitely something big, even though, again, I've never heard of it. And of course, lots of really awesome games also won a bunch of awards. You can find all the categories, best 2D visuals, 3D visuals, AR, VR, and so on. So the Unity Awards are always awesome. And I just want to say thank you all so much for voting for me. Like I say every year, I really hope to continue being worthy of your votes. I'm constantly trying to make the best learning content for you to learn how to make the games of your dreams. So thank you all so much again, and stay tuned for an awesome 2026.